All right, we have our second group theory problem, list without repetition. All abelian groups of order 600, which have at least one element of order 100. Yeah, this is definitely annoying to type, but we'll put it in a proof environment. And maybe we'll just sketch out the idea. We don't need a full formal proof for this, but we can. Let me try turning on auto compile. See if that does anything. We can observe that. Let's see, 600. What is that equal to? It's definitely 6 times 100, which is 100 is 2 squared times 5 squared. So that's 2 cubed times 3 times 5 squared. Okay. So 600 breaks down like this. And 100, as we said, breaks down to that. I feel like I'm manually compiling anyway, but okay. And we want all abelian groups of order 600, sure. So we can just consider, direct products of the, of the CELO P subgroups. And specifically, we want 2 squared and 5 squared. And we have 2 cubed and 5 squared. So we need the 3 because it has to be order 600. So there's kind of 2 variations that we can consider. Yeah, maybe I'll break down the 2 cubed first. Yeah, errors. Okay. How should we say this? Yeah, so abelian groups of order 8. There are 3 abelian groups of order 8. Maybe we can do it like this. There's Z8. There's Z4 cross Z2. And there's Z2 cross Z2 cross Z2. But only the first 2 groups have an element of order 4, which is what we need for 100. So we only consider the first 2. 3 has to come along because, we need order 600, and then we need 5 squared. And there are 2 abelian groups of order 25. It's Z25 and Z5 cross Z5, but only the first group has an element of order 25. Hence, our only 2 possible abelian groups of order 600, which have at least one element of order 100, are... Alright, so we have Z8 cross Z3 cross Z25. And we have Z4 cross Z2, and maybe I'll put that in parentheses. Doesn't really matter. Cross Z3 cross Z25. And if I were to write more for this problem, we could simplify these. 8 and 3 are relatively prime, so you could make that 24, and that's relatively prime from 25. Okay, that's probably the most inefficient way of doing it. Okay, 3 and 25 is 75 and 8. I mean, regardless, that's, what is that? That's 600. Okay, so this one's just Z600. And this one is well, if you look at the 4, the 3, and the 25, that's just this, but with a 4, so it would be half that. So this is Z300 cross Z2. So we have Z600 and Z300 cross Z2, which, if you want to say that, you could say that. But that's this problem done.